Hey guys, welcome back. It's Kay and Tam and we're back again with another banging video. In this video we removed the existing grass, we put new topsoil, and then we installed fresh new sod. While this video is playing, you're going to be hearing from moi some tips and tricks on how to maintain your freshly installed sod. So first things first, you need to make sure you're consistently watering for 2 weeks. So you need to water every day for 2 weeks so that the sod can retain moisture. Ideally, you can water twice daily for the 2 weeks, so maybe once in the morning and another in the late afternoon or evening, just to make sure the sod is consistently moist. Something else you should do is that you should avoid walking on the sod or placing anything on the sod, just to prevent soil compaction and to enable the soil to develop strong and firm roots. So after 2 to 4 weeks, you can actually begin to reduce the amount of water that your sod gets, and eventually in the long run you need to maintain a consistent routine for watering your lawn and ensuring that it receives about 1 inch of water per week. So I hope you've been able to learn a few things about sod installation and caring for your new fresh sod. If you have any questions, you can definitely shoot us a comment down below or shoot us a DM on our other platforms. And if you need to install sod in your front, back or side yards, don't hesitate to call Kay and Tam. We've been delivering premium landscaping since 2022. We look forward to hearing from you anytime. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications for more content. See you next time. Peace out.